afternoon your class today? I can't remember. I get confused with these classes, whether it's from, I say whether it's in the morning or the afternoon. Anyway, never mind. Hello. happy Thursday. Thursday's last day of the week. Yeah. Weekend tomorrow. Okay, anyway, today we're carrying on from where we were yesterday. We're not jumping a lot today, okay? We're on page 291 in your books, okay? And we're looking at something called the mean and the range of numbers. It's not hard, it's not difficult today, okay? If you can use a calculator, and yes, you can use a calculator. If you can use a calculator, you can work these out, okay? All you have to do is to think what you need to do. Alright, okay, so I've got some numbers. I'm going to do it simply, and then I'll do one of the examples from your book, which is a little bit more detailed, right? Okay. So, one page, page 291. There's some exercises, some examples there, page 291 and page 292, okay? But I'll do my example on the board here, right? Okay, so we've got 5, 7, 3, 2, 5, 8, 1, 9. Okay? I'll give you the examples from here and I'll tell you what the different words mean and then you can carry on from there. Okay? Right. Let's do the range first, okay? The range is easy. The range is just the difference between the smallest number and the biggest number. That's all it is. So look at your information. Which is the smallest value? Which is the largest value? And what's the difference in between? That's your range. Okay? My number's on the board here. My largest value is number 9. Okay? My smallest value is number 1. So that's my largest, that's my smallest. What's the difference between them? Is 8. Okay? And that's my range. Yeah? Straightforward, okay? And the mean, and this is quite often called the average. It shouldn't be called the average because in maths we have different types of averages, okay? But, so in maths we call it the mean, but in every other place they normally call it the average, okay? The average, again, you might know this already, but the average is the sum of all the values divided by the number of values. Okay? So the mean or the average is the sum of all the values divided by the number of the values. Okay, we look at our case here. What we have to do is add these all together. I did this before. Get myself a little bit more prepared. So basically, it's 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9. Okay? Yeah, so we add them all together. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 5 is 22, plus 8 is 30, plus 1 is 31, plus 9 equals 40. Okay? Sorry, I should have written this down before. This is the sum of all the values here. The number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We do this over this side here. So we end up with, over here, we end up with 40 divided by 8. 40 divided by 8, let me think. Okay. So our mean here is 5. So we've got two values. The range is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value. In this case, it's 8. The mean, the average, is the sum of all the values divided by the number of values. In our case here, it's 40. The number of values is 8. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Okay. Okay, go from my simple numbers to some more complicated numbers. This is exercise 1 on page 292. Okay, I've put the numbers up on the board here. We've got Ryan and Ali. What was this? Oh, playing darts. You know playing darts? Yes? Okay, anyway, never mind. Okay, darts. You don't do darts in Libya, do you really? I've never seen darts in Libya. Do you have darts in Libya? Let me know. Okay. Anyway, never mind. Okay, so what we've got to do first, work out the mean for Ryan. Okay? Now I'm not going to do all of this. We just told you before. Okay, the mean is the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of numbers. I'm not going to write all these out again. All I'm going to do is add them all together. Again, use your calculators, okay? If I add all of those ones together, I get 400. And if I divide them by the number of numbers, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divided by 10, I get 40. So 40 is the mean, okay? The next question there, it says work out the range for y. The range, what did you say the range was? The range was from the lowest number to the highest number, the difference between them, okay? So what's the highest number here? 121, okay? You did well on that one. 121 minus the lowest number here is 11, okay? 121 minus 11 is 110. So that's our answer there. Okay, that's the range. Yeah? C, what do we say? Work out the mean for Ali. What's the mean? The mean is addition of all of these numbers divided by the number of numbers. Again, I did this earlier. Okay, I got 390 divided by 10 equals 39. Okay? And then C, so that's our mean, okay? C, work out the range. The range is the difference between the smallest number, between the biggest number and the smallest number. So the biggest number I've got here is 56, okay? So I've got 56 minus, what's my smallest number? 24. So my range here is 32. Okay. Now it says here, choose somebody to play darts for your team. Okay? Who would you choose? Well, it's an interesting one, isn't it, really? Because the mean, the average, is almost the same. Yeah? But Ryan's range of scores is a lot higher than Ali's. So I don't know. See, if we took out... See, this is where statistics, this is where data gets a bit interesting, really. Because, and I'm sorry, I'm going off the point slightly here, but I'll finish this quickly, okay? Ryan got one score that was really good. Yeah? He got this one. And this is where the mean has some problems sometimes, okay? Yeah, okay. Because sometimes if you have one score that's higher than all the rest, it changes the mean quite a lot. Yeah? So if I took that 121 out of this, what would I get? 400 minus 121, 300... 279, yes? I then have 279 divided by 9 this time, and that would give me 31, okay? Sorry, it's not very clear over there, okay? So really, apart from that one high score, their averages are almost exactly the same, really. The mean without that one high score would be 31. The mean for Ali is 39. Yeah? So, in a sense, Ali might be the more continuous. He's the one that gets the more scores most often. But anyway, it's an interesting one to think about. Let's see what you think, okay? Give me some answers. What do you think? Who would you choose? Ryan or Ali? Okay, so there we go. Anyway, that's what we needed to do. We needed to work out the answers, the means and the ranges. I want you to have a go at a couple of questions on page 292 and 293. What should we do? Let's do question 2 and question 3, okay? If we do question 2 and question 3, and then I've got another exercise for you to do just to finish, a little bit more interesting one. Okay, then looking at numbers in a book. Alright? Okay, thanks a lot.